Hey guys, I want to shoot a video right quick to encourage you guys when it comes to mobile home investing. So you see I'm standing out here in front of a home that I recently got. 1997, 3-bedroom, 2-bath. You see that vinyl siding, large home. And as you know, a lot of the deals that we talk about, you can do many different things with them. You can wholesale, you can rent them, rent to own, whatever you decide is the best thing for you to do. But the encouraging thing that I want to tell you guys is you have to be persistent. You have to keep deals, you have to keep leads coming through your pipeline. Not only leads from homes, but leads from different buyers. You have to keep buyers coming into your list, because this home, I had a buyer already for it. One of my repeat buyers. He's an investor, and told me he wanted the home. Came to check it out, then he got cold feet and backed out of it. So I kind of was stuck with the home, because this is the guy that he normally comes through. When he says he wants a home, he gets it, but he backed out for whatever reason. So did I get discouraged and be like, wow, now I can't do anything with the home? No. Guess what? I had other options to bring more buyers in, and I ended up getting rid of the home for more than what he would pay for it. So you can't give up, guys. Sometimes things happen to show you that you need to expand your net, and that's the lesson that I learned with this one, that I need to always be having different investors, different buyers coming in my list, just shopping things around. Don't get stuck on having one buyer, putting all your eggs in one basket. That's what you don't want to do, guys. But you have to be persistent. Always focus on these two things: having leads coming in your pipeline, and two, having sellers coming, putting new sellers on your list, because people are always looking for these homes. You never know who will do what, but you shouldn't ever just depend on one person, because people, for whatever reason, they back out of deals, they change their mind, say they'll do something, but then they'll back out. But you, as an entrepreneur, as a mobile home investor, you should be flexible. You should be able to change, adapt to the situation, and don't get bogged down on one deal. You have to be, you have to improvise, guys. So I just want to share this video with you guys. Be persistent. Don't get bogged down. Always focus on bringing in leads, getting deals coming in your pipeline. And you do that by, you can look on Facebook, looking on Craigslist. If you have your own website, doing it that way. Your relationship with park managers, all these different things you guys can do to get homes like these. So I hope this video kind of encourage you guys to just look at things differently and to be persistent, guys. Don't give up. Yeah, guys, so I have other videos on this topic about how to find deals, about being persistent. You definitely can look at the playlist of different videos we have. Subscribe, check it out. And so I hope this video was encouraging to you again, and definitely stay tuned for more videos like this. All right, talk to you soon.